homeowners, welcome back to your favorite channel, MF Home TV. My name is Bianca. So today we're gonna have another Look Who's Here episode. So look who's here! It's Rose! So for those who weren't able to catch our previous episode, Rose is an interior designer working here in Mandaue Foam, and today she will give us tips on how to dress your bed correctly. Is that right?
Yes, that's it.
That's it. So Rose, I read somewhere that making your bed in the morning psychologically prepares you for the rest of the day.
I think that's true. Like, you're done with a sack for the day. And then I guess it's really nice when you come back at night and your bed is ready for you. It's a good closing of the day.
It is a good opening and a good closing, I guess. So here we go. Tips on how to make your bed properly. Okay, Rose, can you tell us why is it important for our viewers to dress their bed properly in the morning?
I think it has something to do with when we get back home after a long day of work. We'd want to come home to an oasis where we want to rest. So I think having a very well done bed welcome you back home would be a big help.
For sure. All right, so I guess step one would be
to add the mattress protector.
Ooh, mattress protector. I didn't know there was such a thing as a mattress protector.
We have it at Mandaue Foam. We have a simple waterproof one. We also have a quilted waterproof one. So this helps especially when you have children at home.
And pets. I have a dog. Countless times they've peed on the mattress. Okay, take note by mattress protector. Is that what you call it? At MF. Awesome. Let's go.
So here we have the quilted waterproof mattress protector. It's waterproof on one side and it's quilted on the other. I like to practice back home, and I think you can follow is I always label the tags with a size. So like for this one, I'd write queen on it, or a letter Q, or a 60-inch. So I don't confuse it with other beds around home, especially when the beds are just half a foot in size difference.
What's the difference between a fitted sheet and a flat sheet?
The fitted sheet has the garter all along the sides. It helps us fit the fitted sheet snugly up on the mattress we have. The flat sheet, on the other hand, sometimes in the tropical climate we use it as a blanket.
Yes.
But the main purpose of the flat sheet is to protect our duvets or our quilts or our comforters from all that sweat, because those things are very difficult to wash.
Yes, and expensive, especially here in the Philippines. Perfect. Okay, now I know. Thanks.
So we bring the comforter all the way to the top.
Okay.
And then we fold the flat sheet over.
Okay, fold the flat sheet over. All right.
And then we fold it one more time.
One more time. Starting to look like a hotel bed, huh? So, what's the difference between a comforter and a duvet? What's a duvet?
A comforter usually gets stitched together with a fiber inside. So with comforters, you can't exactly change the cover, but you could use a duvet cover to protect your comforter if you're not into this whole flat sheet thing.
Noted.
Yes. A duvet comes with a duvet filler. It's like a comforter but without the filling stitched in onto the cover.
I see.
So that way you can switch it up a bit. If you want to change your beddings, you can just change the duvet cover, and that is also much easier to clean than just a comforter.
I see. And is the duvet thicker than the comforter, or is the comforter thicker than the duvet?
I think the duvet is a bit thicker because it comes more layered than a comforter.
I see. So if you run hot and you don't like being hot at night, you can opt for a comforter, but then use a duvet cover.
Yes.
To make it easier. Got it. Okay, did you guys hear that? That's a hack. Comforter inside a duvet cover. Thinking out of the box. Perfect.
So if you're feeling a little bit more sophisticated or fancy, adding a little bit of texture or pattern really helps tie in the whole look together.
It's perfect. I feel fancy just being here. And there you have it, guys, the proper way to dress your bed. Thank you so much, Rose.
Thanks for having me.
I'm sure you guys learned a lot because I learned a lot. Thank you so much for watching. You know the drill. Hit like, subscribe, and of course, put a comment down below in case you have any more questions on how to dress your bed. This is Bianca from MF Home TV, inspiring your home.
Congratulations to last week's winner. Here's this week's prize.